Hello everyone, and in today's video I will show you how to connect Payoneer to PayPal. Now, I need to tell you that down below in the description, you will find the link to Payoneer and PayPal so you can go and create yourself an account. And if you have already an account, just go to the wallet section here on PayPal after logging into your account. And here you can find link a bank or link a card. Just click on link a bank and then you should scroll down until you find link a US bank instead. And now you'll have to choose between savings or checking. And now what you should do is to go and open your Payoneer account. So now after opening my Payoneer account, you should go and navigate to get paid, then choose receiving accounts. And here you will find some accounts in your Payoneer. If you do not have one, just click on request accounts and choose the currency of the account that you want to request. So I'm going to click on next. Then I'll choose the currency, then click on next again, and they will give you an account within 1 to 2 days. But here in my case, I already have one. So you'll have to click on one of these accounts. Let's say this one, for example. And here you have the bank. Now here, as you can see, you can find the account type. If you want to copy the account number, just click on icon right here. Then go back to Payoneer and add your account number just right here. Then add the routing number right here. Then click on agree and link. And this is how we can actually link your Payoneer to your PayPal. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.